This is Alan with TabTech and TabTechUnlockSim.com. I wanted to show you today how easy and fast it is to unlock your iPhone for any carrier. This TabTech Unlock Sim will unlock any iPhone from any carrier. We have a iPhone SE second gen 2020 model, but this will work for any iPhone. Like I said, iPhone 13, 12, 11, the X models, XS, XR, 7, 8, any iPhone it will unlock. So just wanted to show y'all real quick. This is an AT&T model. Gonna unlock it to use for any carrier. Have the AT&T SIM that came in it right there, and then we'll unlock it with our TabTech Unlock SIM. After it's unlocked, I'll show y'all that the T-Mobile SIM card will, when we put it in there, that it'll read the T-Mobile SIM card. So if you look in the settings, let's see here, it shows, if you look down here, it says SIM locked. Again, this is locked from AT&T. It's a brand new phone from AT&T we just picked up. Now, what we'll do first, I've already took the AT&T SIM out, and also you can get these at tabtechunlocksim.com. We have single-use unlock SIMs, and we have reusable unlock SIMs. The single-use TabTech Unlock SIMs will work just on one device. Now, the reusable ones can technically work on an unlimited number of iPhones. I know we saw a lot of those for big families that are switching carriers, or somebody that wants to start their own business unlocking iPhones. It comes in handy. Let's see here. So let's go ahead. First thing we did, we took the SIM out, right? So next thing we're going to do, we need to unlock it. So I showed y'all that it was SIM locked. Again, to AT&T right there, SIM locked. So what we're going to do is we are going to turn this off and we will unlock it. So let's take the SIM tray out. We'll put in our TabTech Unlock Sim. Let's see here. And this only takes just a couple minutes, and we'll send, you do have to type a ICCID number in, but we'll supply all of the valid working ICCID numbers for your device. So it's a nice and easy unlock. Okay, we put the unlock SIM in. When we're going to turn it on, it'll ask, it'll say activation required. We'll hit dismiss. And then it'll ask for an ICCID number. I have mine written down here, but for the video, but I'll send on an instruction sheet as well with some frequently asked questions on there. So it'll be a nice and easy unlock for you. So let's go ahead and turn this on. And let's get this unlocked. Okay. So just take a second here. We also sell over-the-air unlocks as well, and all you do is submit your IMEI number, and we can have it unlocked in just a day or two. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll hit continue. There we go. There's the pop-up. And we'll just type it in, 8904227021704216881. We'll hit send. An IMSI number 8904000000000. Send. We'll hit accept and it'll be unlocked. Set up Touch ID later. Don't use. This is a new phone. Okay, so after you submit the ICCID number and the IMSI number, it'll continually ask you for, it'll continually pop up until you take our unlock sim out. But all you have to do is enter it once and it's unlocked. So this phone is already unlocked. It'll just continually ask you. So if you see it, this pop up keep on reoccurring, dismiss it. If you've already input the numbers, it's unlocked. So what we'll do is we will take this out here. Now let's put the T-Mobile SIM in. Put that in there. Just like that. Okay, so now this is unlocked now. It is a T-Mobile SIM. However, you see no service. Don't worry about that. This is the T-Mobile SIM card I put in there is an old SIM card. You can see I have some other SIM cards. So the actual SIM card is not getting any data or service from the network from the tower. But that's because we don't, again, that SIM card's not associated to an account. I'm just using it to show you that yeah, after we unlock it, it'll read the SIM card. Okay, so now we will go to, okay, we're in settings. See there, now it says no SIM restrictions. So you're able, and it see carrier shows T-Mobile. So once we, at the beginning of this video, we had an AT&T iPhone SE 2nd gen. Showed you all it was carrier locked. It had SIM restrictions. We simply turned it off. We put our TabTech Unlock Sim in there. Just typed in a few numbers, took it out, put our T-Mobile SIM in, and boom, it is unlocked. This is Alan with TabTech and TabTechUnlockSim.com. We have many of these in stock. Again, we have single-use ones and reusable ones. Thank you very much.